Foucault Pendulum. Observe the direction of the pendulum swing compared to the compass rose on the floor. As time progresses, the plane of the pendulum swing rotates relative to the ground. This is a result of a fictitious force called Coriolis force, which happens when an object is moving on a rotating platform. In this case, the object is the pendulum, which is traveling in a straight line, as the Earth underneath rotates around its own axis. This effect changes according to the observer's latitude. For a pendulum in Chiang Mai located at 18.8 degrees north of the equator, the pendulum rotates around 116 degrees clockwise each day. As a result, around every 12 minutes, a new pin is struck by the pendulum. It takes around 3 days before the pendulum completes one rotation.